How to change the keyboard on Android device. Firstly, you will need to open Settings on your device. After opening Settings, scroll down and look for the option General Management. Once you find it, click on it. Now here you will see the option Keyboard List and Default. Go inside that. At the top you will find your default keyboard. Right now there's only one keyboard, which is the Samsung keyboard. If you want to add more keyboards, you can simply head over to App Store or Play Store and download external keyboards. Once you do that, then you can set those as default keyboards. There are so many extensions available on Play Store and App Stores. If you want to check and maintain any other settings, you can do that from right here. There are also options such as Google Voice Typing, Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and Snapchat Keyboard. So this is how you can change keyboard on Android. That's all for today. Thank you.